here's a quick little tour of a one-bedroom island garden view here at Aulani. Kitchen area here, a little dinette area. Lock off to the studio. There is a pull-down bed underneath the TV. Little seating area with a pull-out couch. Does have a safe in the closet here, laundry basket. Back around here, it does have washer and dryer in the unit. This goes into the master bath from this side, but also master bedroom, little desk area, and we have the jacuzzi tub. We turn some light on where you can see it. The jacuzzi tub. Well, partition slides open into the master. Shower. Big closets. Ironing board, extra pillows, blankets. But let's see what an island garden view looks like. We stayed last night in a 2-bedroom locked-off ocean view. And this is room 1071 with the Island Gardens view, and we do have a partial ocean view and the luau down below. The 1-bedroom has 2 balconies, one just off the living area and a second one off of the bedroom. It does have a partition between the two, that one. View of the luau and an ocean view. Not a bad view for an island garden view. This is the 1-bedroom here at Aulani. Thank you for watching the videos.